guys, this is Subhashini here, and I would like to first of all thank Tarak sir, Naveen sir and Purushot sir, who always stood always behind me. Not only these three, but rest of the teams of Digominds. They each and everyone they played a role, very great, and that's why because I'm here. I'm successful today only because of Digominds. You see, the theory of life is like you grow only because when you gain, learn and experience. I already have experience, but I didn't learn anything in my life, so I decided to learn something new. There I strike by getting Digominds, like where they teach a digital marketing course from my colleagues. So I came here, I learned a lot from here, and not only learned, I implemented a lot in my practical life. I gained confidence especially. So I stand here unique by getting a good job, and you get placements here, you can believe them 100%, and I give you my 100% that you can come here, you can learn here, and you can get a good placements once again. And you don't want to go and ask someone whether it will be good or not. You can come here without asking someone, and you can learn here, you can go out, you can get great placements. And once again, I would like to remind you, always don't believe on someone that you can rely on them so that they will be getting you placements. You have to try from your own, and they will be pushing you from their own side. So if two sides is in a great strength, and obviously you will be getting a good job. And I thank you once again, Digominds team, for this day and for this successful job. Thank you.